So I think all of us are interested in what is the distinction in the area of business that can really help us accelerate our business growth.
For that, you need to go to the father of business management, Peter Drucker. Peter Drucker says that the purpose of business is to create a customer. The purpose of business is to serve your customers. Now, if you start really serving your customers, operating from empathy, caring about what they want, what they need, what are the unmet needs, and creating all your innovations based on those unmet needs, the chances of success just skyrocket. As opposed to working with, competitive advantage and competition and being totally preoccupied by defeating competition or what are they doing. It's great to know what they're doing, that's fine. But unless you focus on serving your customers, there's no way in which your business can succeed. So it's a very short answer. It's simple. People make it too complicated. Business is not complicated. Business is simple. There are two things. People like to do business with people who they know, like, and trust. Work on your likability, work on your trust, and work on people knowing you. Three things. And on the other side, work on serving your customers and their needs. And you're done. And as long as you're constantly working on these things, constantly, and aligning, and you start creating value between what you say and what you do, your business is sure to succeed.